My name is Eric Fluke. I am the owner of Monumental Steel Buildings. We are a steel building sales and full turnkey construction company. So this is a 50 by 50 building with two 14-foot doors, 6 windows, tall enough ceilings to put in a car lift. We have epoxied floors, a 200 amp panel. So it's like a dream shop. So Mountain State Construction was here for 4 days. They had a 6 to 8 man crew at any given time, and fast, very responsive, communicative, great crew. Building was up fast. In fact, our customers are extremely happy. They're basically everything I have in the pipeline is this size. Everybody wants this size. Our biggest sellers are 40 by 50, 50 by 50, 40 by 60, so around that 2,500 square foot build. So we have probably around 6 in the pipeline right now for those sizes. Perfect. So the building's use is for equipment storage. The current owners own a peach orchard, so they will be bringing in employees. It's obviously an air-conditioned space so they can cool down, fix equipment. It's also his dream shop, retirement shop. So this is one of those spaces that will be a play space and a workspace. Yeah, so we have 6-inch insulation in the roof and 4-inch on the walls with a breeze air cooler and a gas powered heater. So this thing stays nice and cool when it's hot and nice and warm when it's cold. The cement is the hardest part of one of these projects. It is, it goes to our soil engineers, our concrete engineer, or our structural engineer. So all in all, it took about a month and a half from planning to digging to forming and pouring. And then we waited an extra month for the concrete to cure enough to make sure we didn't have any major stress fractures. Especially when we're epoxying a floor, it's really important to make sure the concrete is 100% cured so we don't get any of those gases coming out of the concrete that'll bubble our new floor. So it's a process we really have to follow a specific timeline for. It was kind of a natural fit for us. We had enough clientele that were wanting steel buildings. I was able to go talk to Eric at Great Western. Eric Beaver's the owner, and he offered us a private label, which we have taken and are beginning to mold it into this, great area of buildings that are not only for homeowners, for their dream shops, but also for businesses that need something here that is hard to find.